Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today, we're looking at the Pioneer DMH-W2770NEX, a 6.8-inch double-DIN multimedia receiver that combines wireless CarPlay, Android Auto, HD radio, and more, all in a sleek short chassis design. If you're considering an affordable but powerful head unit upgrade, this one's worth checking out. Let's go over the features, pros, and cons. 6.8-inch capacitive touchscreen. First, it comes with a 6.8-inch capacitive touchscreen, smooth, responsive, and compact enough to fit most dashboards while still being easy to use for navigation and media. Wireless and wired Apple CarPlay/Android Auto. Second, the receiver supports both wireless and wired Apple CarPlay and Android Auto, giving you the freedom to connect your way. Bluetooth hands-free and streaming. Third, it includes Bluetooth connectivity for hands-free calling and wireless audio streaming, super convenient for daily use. Backup camera compatibility. Fourth, the unit is backup camera ready, so you can add a rear camera for safer parking and reversing. Audio and expandability, FLAC plus HD radio plus short chassis. And fifth, it supports FLAC high-resolution audio files, HD radio, and comes in a short chassis design, making installation easier in vehicles with limited dash space. Compact and clean fit, the short chassis makes it easier to install in tight spaces. Flexible connectivity, wired and wireless CarPlay/Android Auto plus Bluetooth. Great audio features, FLAC support and HD radio for crisp sound. Screen size, at 6.8 inches, it's smaller than some of the larger floating screens out there. No built-in navigation, you'll rely on CarPlay/Android Auto apps for maps. So overall, the Pioneer DMH-W2770NEX is an excellent choice if you want a compact, reliable, and feature-rich double-DIN stereo. With wireless CarPlay, Android Auto, HD radio, and backup camera support, it brings a modern upgrade to almost any car without breaking the bank. Check it out now on Amazon with the link in the description. If you found this review helpful, make sure to like this video, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more car tech reviews. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.